What's going on, cats and dogs, horses and hogs? I hope you guys are doing well. It's Monday morning. It is right now 6:30 a.m. and brothers and sisters, I'm gonna be going through a few different analysis things here real quick. As usual, hit the like button, blah blah blah. Let's get started. GBPJPY. I've got some clients. I've got some beautiful clients, some sweet, sexy clients. Already taking trades on GJ. We've got this guy right here, Dion. He's trading on his demo account, taking GJ longs. Johnny tried to scalp on EJ last night. That didn't work. A couple different things going on with her. And I was like, if I'd have been awake, I might have taken a GJ sell. But you know what? I wasn't awake because I was asleep an hour ago and I just woke up and GJ's coming away from this resistance zone up here, coming lower. Here's the plan. Look, you're here for the plan, right? This is the plan. I got an alert here. GJ pops back up into here. Unless we've got some sort of news momentum event, probably just going to be hitting the sell button right there on my scalping account. A lot of you guys have been like, Nick, what do you mean about your scalping? What do you use no stop losses? I made a whole video about this, how to make money trading even when you're wrong. It's how I scalp GJ, okay? So like, just go watch that video before you start being like, what? There's no stop. What are you doing? Da, 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 da. Like, it's a high risk system. I blow a couple accounts a month doing this, but I also flip the account 5x a couple times a month before it gets blown. Brothers and sisters, go and watch that video if you want to see. But I'll be hitting the sell button up here. I'm going to be putting an alert. Also at this next zone, if that first sell doesn't work out, I'll be holding it through the drawdown, entering another sell up there, capitalizing on the pullback. You know, unless something like this happens where if I hit sell and then it pushes up above the zone, if it doesn't get up there and it comes back to the zone, then I'll just close that sell around break even and enter a buy and try to trade the bounce to go back up there. So I don't really give a what happens because I make money like 99% of the time, even if I'm wrong. Go watch that video. Also, if price comes down to here, which will be cool, then I'll be looking to, if I'm in sells, obviously closing the sell and profit, then entering a buy. And if that buy bounces right there, that'd be very nice. You know, I'll close like somewhere up in here, probably like right before this zone. If that buy doesn't work, brothers and sisters, you'll probably like channel up here, continue lower. If it pulls back to give me an exit, I'll exit the buy and enter a sell. If it doesn't do that and just goes straight to here, I'll be buying again here at this low. And then after a little bit of a pop up, when I'm in a little bit of profit, I'll just liquidate both the positions, probably somewhere near this level. Hopefully in just a wee bit of profit, mate. I'd like to make a little bit of profit on my GBPJPY trades, but we'll have to see what happens because I may not get it. I may blow the account today. Who knows? I started a new 3K account, trying to get to 20K. We'll see what happens, right? You'd be watching these daily videos, so you will find out, brothers and sisters. But yeah, I just got these two alerts here on GJ. CHFJPY. I'm being objective with you guys. I'm in sells right here. I'm in about a 3K drawdown or a 2K drawdown, whatever it is. I went over this yesterday. So all these positions I'm short right here. I'm also short two positions here around these average prices. Yeah, it's not looking great. It's looking like it's going to be going up. So I have to be objective with this. So what I'm going to be doing probably is just watching this right here. We're still good as long as price doesn't crack these highs. It could still come test the daily level and then have like a push away from it. But then again, like I said, this just looks like it's going to be going up from here. The only way that would be invalidated is if we somehow just break and close below here, tap it, start rejecting. Then we'll probably be good back down to these daily lows. The reason I'm just a wee bit more comfortable holding the trade, mate, is because of this daily 4-hour zone up here. This right here. I mean, it's just a push back to the previous low would be good. We're not really in an uptrend, you know. So I'm not too worried. Like, you know, we were in an uptrend right here, but then it kind of went sideways. Had a swing past the high, had a clear break and close back below. Strong test, 2 days of rejection, fall away. I'm just really not convinced this is going to be going back up like all the fucking way up here. If it does, it's cool. You know, it's fine. It is what it is. I'll manage the trades accordingly. Find a way to get myself out of the whole situation in a profitable scenario 99% of the time. But if that didn't work out, you know, I have to look at the evidence. The evidence so far is that prices failed to react at this zone as resistance and continue to my target. It broke above last night, found support. I was eyeballing this, but I was like, I'm going to leave it alone. Otherwise, I could have liquidated these around break even. Came out to the next zone. We started to bounce as resistance right here. Failed. Instead, we broke up, made a higher high. Now we've come back and it looks like we're making a higher low and bouncing. So I'm being objective. This looks like it's going to keep going up. I'm going to hold on to my sell positions for now just because I believe the higher time frame bias of a rejection of this daily level is still really likely. And I just think that at least if we can come back to the previous lows and test there, that'll be fine. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with what I do here. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to manage these trades quite yet. Be watching it. For those of you who took this trade yesterday on GBPSGD, I took this yesterday in the video. What was it? Yeah, I made like a little analysis video yesterday, pre-market outlook video. And I put this up here at the chart and told you guys GBPSGD looks pretty good for a sell, pretty much like right here at the zone. Now, I'm in like a smaller position right here. Let me see how much this is up right now. Brothers and sisters, I'm in so 5 lots. It's up $1,400 right now. So, not the greatest trade of the year. Might have gone in a little bit heavier. I didn't want to be risking like my max risk is like 3K on this if it went and cracked past the high. But as usual, like if it cracks up here, I had an alert right there, as you see. I would have just waited for a pullback and gotten out around break even. So I didn't want to risk a lot. New week, don't want to be going too heavy in the beginning of the week. Just want to be kind of like taking it nice and easy. Made huge profits last week and all this month of January. I don't want to fuck it all up. So yeah, I'm in this trade. If this comes down here and hits the profit target, it might be around like a 3K winner. Wipe the sweat off my forehead and continue with that. But this looks fine for now. Keep in mind we could have a pullback down here to these lows before testing and continuing down. That's it. EURAUD took a small position as well on here. This is up. Let me see. Whoa, dropped my phone. 1,200 right now. So from here to here so far. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. I really wasn't anticipating this to work. It was Asian session last night. I put this trade. I put a sell limit up here around the previous high. And like midway through Asian session, it went and hit that sell limit. And I'm short on this. I covered this a little bit yesterday. I said, you might be getting a bounce at this resistance. So after the market opened and then started pushing back up to there, I was like, whatever. I'll try it. It's a pretty clear zone. It's the recent high. My plan for managing this one was that if it would continue to above, made a nice higher high, and then crashed back to the level, I would have just exited the sell at break even. Probably wouldn't have taken a buy because this looks really overextended, but I would have exited the sell at break even and just kind of sat back on the sidelines watching what was going to happen very skeptically for EURAUD. But that's that. These are pretty much the only ones I'm looking at today, y'all. AUD/JPY looks like she's going to be headed back up today, which kind of makes me slightly stressed out, because I'm just kidding, not really stressed out. For those of you who were like, oh, I wonder why Nick is stressed out on a trade. I'm not actually stressed out. I say that like satirically, I'm slightly stressed out because I'm in CHFJPY shorts and I'd like it to go short. However, the objective evidence-based data around these situations kind of lets me think that AUD/JPY might be just trying to bounce here, support and go up, and same thing with CHFJPY. Meanwhile, GBPJPY and GBPSGD look like they're going nowhere but down today. Yeah, as long as GJ tests here and bounces, we'll probably just keep going down. It's my alarm to do the Mission FX live session here that I'm going to be doing shortly with Mission FX full program clients. If you're not in the Mission FX full program, what the hell? Go and buy the Mission FX full program. Do live sessions with us. Come trade live with us. We got some live cam show action going on. For the rest of these pairs, I already covered all this. This is like, I don't see anything throughout all these. We talked about CAD CHF yesterday. This never ended up breaking the lows, so this scenario has not set up. I still think it's fine to kind of watch, so I'll be watching it. Unless we start like cracking up above these highs, we'll probably be continuing back up. But until then, kind of ranging. And there was like what? There's 2 more. And USD CHF. No, I don't know what the hell it was yesterday, but y'all can watch yesterday's videos and find out for yourselves. I don't see anything else though that I'm be looking at. I see nothing else, my fellow Padawans, my cats and dogs, horses and hogs. I see nothing else. So when we go to crypto, I haven't even checked out crypto today. Looks like we're slightly down, kind of going sideways still. I'm going to put an alert here through this range. I thought we were going to be going back up to 44, but it looks like so far I've been wrong, my sweet children. We've already tried to test here at 42.5 once, twice, 3, 4 times, and we keep on making lower highs. You'd be logical. What do you think's going to happen, right? Sometimes we'll have an explosion up. Most of the time we'll have a price will fizzle out. It'll die. It'll quickly come up for air, and then it will crash back down, and then it will just die, and then it's just dead. Crypto's dead. Bitcoin's a scam. For the next few days. I wouldn't buy it in the next few days, but if we crack above here, probably be good to head back up to 44. And if we crack back lower through here, we will probably be going all the way to 40,500, mate. So be careful if you're in Bitcoin longs right now. Be careful if you're in anything right now in Bitcoin, because it's just ranging. Like, you don't know what the hell it's going to do till it breaks out. A whole other crypto market will likely follow whatever Bitcoin's doing. Everything is down right now. As you can see on the right side of my screen, brothers and sisters, we got nothing going on there. With stocks, I'm in the same positions, Microsoft and Lulu. Lulu is just not good. Not good. Not good. Down around like 14% from where I entered. Bad. But I'm in nothing else. That's good. I closed out all my positions in tech stocks, like in huge profits. So that's that. But yeah, cool. All right, that's it. Sweet. All right, GJ, the plan. If this 1 hour candle closes like that, I won't be taking a sell, because then it looks like it's probably just going to be like rejecting this zone of support. So in that case, it would be like a stupid, dumbass thing to do to take a sell if the 1 hour candle is closing bullish. But we'll have to see. It's all subjective. I don't know. You see, this is like scalping, man. It's hard to explain. It's just you got to get experience doing it. CHFJPY, I told you guys, be focused on managing that. GBPSGD, still good for sells. EURAUD, I might slap a break-even stop on this. So we'll see what happens. It'd be cool if we could like continue down here to these previous lows. That'd be nice. In fact, that'd probably be a nice area to buy for a bounce as well. So I'll be definitely watching this. And that's it. That's it, guys. So that's all I got for you guys. I'll keep you guys updated either later today or tomorrow. If you've been liking all these daily videos, if you think it's sexy, if you enjoy this kind of stuff, like simultaneously, like I enjoy it, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, hit the bell button, join Mission FX, give me your money. Let's make money together, and everybody will be happy. So cheers, everyone. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.